Okay, first death. First death, man. Wait. So now I'll make ammo. Get a bit those guys. Close it! Where am I? Where am I? Okay, nice. Wait. So what do I need now? Start this. I can start this. I'll save it. Now I can go pantry to pantry. So what is this doing?
That's too effective.
Oh, so are they like respawning, like rebirthing? I guess they are. Okay, I don't have this. Need to go here. Won't open. Nice. Now I can make. Should I make another? I'm not sure what is actually better. Oh, let's make this thing. Ooh, what's this? Ammo. Oh, it's ammo for Requiem. Okay. Increases the knife power and durability. Oh, okay. Is that all? I think so. So now there's a simple lock. So I have to go here, I guess. Looks like they're on the way. Should save it first, probably. I don't need this, and I don't need this. There's a simple lock, and I can go here. And I did hear it. Oh. Oh, anti-guns. Oh, it's blocked. Going. Nice. What the fuck is this, dude?
Oh, what the fuck was that?
That's what I said. Oh, okay, nice. Can't get here. I hope not. Stir the padlock. Wait, what? Gun? Some dude. Moon. Moon, sun, star, moon. Moon, sun, star, moon. Oh wait, I need to destroy the lock first. But how? I don't think I'm supposed to shoot it. Is the big dude here still? Oh, he can't go here, no? There's a typewriter. It's still here. It's blocking the way. How am I supposed to kill it? Oh, do I need Requiem?
Stop moving!
Okay, but how am I going to get through here? how do I break the lock? Well, I have the security key. I have to destroy this, but I don't want to waste ammo.
It's your fucking fault!
Can you go down? Oh, I can. Of course you can. Where's this cruise log here? Nice. Oh, damn. Ooh. Holy shit, look at the blood. Okay. Since it's not going here, I can go here. There's two. Where's that fat dude? Here. I have to go here, mate. Do I? I can also go to garage. And here. Oh fuck. Something here. Okay, so let's check here. Wait, and I will take the antique coins. I will buy something. So what do I need? I don't need this yet because I'm not going there. I want to make... I have enough ammo. I'll buy this. Okay, store this, and I can store this, I think. And I have to take the antique coins, of course. Yeah, what? Okay, I have 8. Well, I need 6 on that thing. It's like the blood collector manual. What will it do? I need to buy it. I want to know what it is doing. It's the most expensive one, so it should be good, no? Let's go to the garage first. Wait, I don't have this one. No, I have to go first here. That's Ben. What is this guy doing here? What is it? Black. I can throw more. Can I? Yeah. Manual that explains how to remove the limiter from blood collector, which increases capacity. Okay. Okay. Now I have to only 2. Okay, I'll come back. Now let's check the garage. Lay fucking down. So there's a scrap, but I don't have blood now. Oh, lockpick, nice. Oh, there's a stash, nice. Okay, okay, I have the blood wrench. Oh, okay, I know what this is for. Can open those doors where we wreck the wheel. So I need this. Can I use it? No. Oh, I have to like what was this? Oh. I have to okay. I want ammo. And I will fill it with blood from this guy. Only 10? Dude. Should I keep it? I have so much things in the inventory. Okay, I'll start it. Wait. October 21. Oh, 2000. I meant that is the year 28. But this should be year 26 or 25. Okay, let's go here. Oh, saving. I wonder what is Leon doing with Victor. What's this? Orange transport box. A cooled box for transporting organs. Heavy with ready to go samples. Okay. Nothing more? It's just this? Okay.
What the fuck?
I supposed to go? Should I shoot him?
Give me a fucking break.
Where the fuck is this guy came from? And he opened the way here. At least I don't need a knife to break this. Like in Resident Evil 8. Maybe even 7. Not sure. Yeah, that's all I think. Can leave now. I am not sure for what do I need the box. I will keep it. Ammo, give me that. I have a lot. It's good. That's so good. Oh, okay. Wait, I'll go for it probably. Can I do something else with this? I can only throw it. Maybe it will unlock like Molotov with this. I need a stash room and I can take it. Purple sample. I need light screen. Not bad. Who did this? Nice. Med injector and ammo. Is this the ammo for the Requiem? Maybe. Dude, why am I so bad? Stay fucking dead, dude. Knife. Okay, blood. Ammo. I have everything I need, dude. It's nice. This is sound though. It's coming from the Googling the word again. Cabinet.
Cabinet.
Cabinet. Okay. What are those crates doing here? Again, lockpick. Oh. Let's go for some save. But which one? I found two. There's a save. Maybe this one. Then left. Then left. 80 right. So like this. Now 80 right. 30 left. Nice. Oh, coins. Give me that. Now. I can open this. I'll take coin. Scrap fucked. Wait. Combine. Meth injector. Oh. Okay. Give me that. Wait. This. Okay. I should go back to the safe room, clear the inventory, and then I can go do something on the staircase, if I remember correctly. Is she moaning? So, start the coins. Start this probably. I need a branch. I need this. I need to use this. And I need to make. Wait. I want. Wait, this is something else. This is rare metal. Ah! So I can make med injector or ammo for Requiem. I don't have space for Requiem. I don't need it also. So do rare metal. Wait. So I can make it. Okay. I will store it. Okay. I can go up. And then for the doors where I need a branch. I'll just do this. Okay. Oh, scrap. I hate a small inventory. It was down here if I remember correctly. What is wrong with this dude? Where am I going? Shit, I don't know. I'm so fucking bad. Is it even killable? Dude, I wasted so much ammo. Unkillable shit. Can I take it? No. Close! What time is it? 20:31. Oh god. Okay, it's okay. Why are they moving so much? I needed this. God. I need to kill that guy with the injector, or how is it called? Where's the code? Here? So far? Okay, here. Herb. It is random. It is fucking random. I don't have space for the anti-coin. I have space for anything. What's different? Well, I don't need this.
Oh God. What?
Now I have to go back to the safe room. Can I take this? Is it following me? Fuck. Let's come back for this. So let's start this. Let's start this. Let's take this. Let's use. I don't have. Empty injector crafting material used to make a steroids for stabilizing. Oh, so I can store it. I guess. I can store this also. I need a branch. Is it following me? Does it know where I am? I can still hear it. Wait, now I have scrap. So if I take the blood injector now, I could be able to do that thing that kills them. But I will need more blood. Probably. That injector. Embolic injector. It's 60, okay. So let's find some blood. Is it a mutated thing? Yeah, it is. I am not able to kill it. Maybe the Requiem, wait. Will the Requiem kill it? What? Will the Requiem kill it? That's the question. What is it? Just need to hit it, bro. It's still moving.
Oh, what the fuck?
Nice. Okay. I was scared that I'll miss him. It was so painful. Now give me this. Let's extract this blood. I have exactly 60 to make. Hemolytic injector. So now I can kill them easily without using Requiem. I can store this. It's my heal. I need this. Okay. This will probably be the longest part of the game. Because the hotel is fucking huge. There's so much to do. Will that be the other one? Wait. I forgot to loot the safe. Don't tell me that. You're fucking shitting me. Wait, I will go to the door downstairs. There's no way to. Die, piece of shit. Nice. Okay. Why did guy in this, where is the save, did not spawn? That was there. And the third guy also. So is it random or how did it happen? Implanted in a body. Oh. So now I need the Requiem again to kill that guy. Fuck. I need this. Okay, I can make. Let's make the injector. I don't have to use the Requiem. Probably. Wait, when I have this, can I store the organ in it? Maybe. Or what is this for? Or can I like open this? Maybe. Oh, I can. Oh fuck. No idea. Wait. Do I have some? I don't. Okay. Let's just store it. Keep this. Let's save it. So let's kill that motherfucker. He's protecting my safe. She's running so slow. Nice. Easy. So it was 10 right, 80, no, 10 left, 80 right. Ten left, 80 right, and 30 left. Nice. So what now? What shall I do now? Is there something? Okay, left side. Okay, I can go here. That's everything on the left side. Okay. Yeah. Heard that? Thank you. So what do we... Oh! Yeah, that's what I needed. Wait. There's a line. I presume that we can get 2 rows. So there should be 4 more backs. Backs. I don't know. Back. There's nothing else. So let's head to the main room. Spend the antique coins. Ooh, that's what I needed. Lights out. What's this? I was reading this. So. Oh, it's damaged. Fuck. I have 4 antique coins, so I need 2 more. There should be 2 more antique coins. Wait. So, oh, I have 4, so I need 2 more. Okay. Okay. What is this? Something special. Steroids. Releases maximum. Dramatically strengthen muscles and effect is permanent. Hell yeah. That's what I needed. It will also heal me, no? It should have. So use it as a heal later. Okay, I'm streaming almost 4 hours. And today also World of Warcraft Midnight was released. So we'll end it here. And I want to play Midnight also.